Hey friends, in this video we are going to unbox and review the newly launched FND W17. So let's move in. This is the box of the newly launched FND W17 Bluetooth speaker. So let's check what's written on the box, then we'll move inside the box. So as you can see on this side, it's written Bluetooth 4.2, play music, voice system, TF card and lithium ion battery. And at the back some more features about the speaker which I'm going to explain in this video. So let's move inside the box. So you have to open the box from the top, and this is a handbag kind of a speaker. So let's move inside the box. So you get another box inside this box, so we have to pull it out, I think so. Yeah, wait, oh no, there is the speaker. So you can see this is the speaker, this is the user manual. Let me just pull the speaker out. So this is the slim speaker over here, and under this cover I think so there are the accessories. Yeah, this is the accessory bag over here, as you can see. So this is the strap, so you can carry the speaker properly with you. And this is the aux cable and traditional charging cable, micro USB cable over here. So friends, till the time I clean up all this mess, you can take a look at the speaker.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy when we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry.
So hey friends, this is the FND W17 out of the box, and first we are going to talk about the build quality and design of the speaker. Build quality wise, the whole speaker is made out of metal, rubber and a little bit of plastic. Because only this panel is made out of plastic, soft touch plastic, which feels very premium. As you can see, there is some ventilation giver over here at the back for the subwoofer and the speaker, and other than that everything is made out of rubber and metal. The top is also made out of rubber, the bottom is also made out of rubber. As you can see, the bottom part has two rubbers, so you can keep the speaker stable on the ground. And moving on to the build quality feels very premium. The fit and finish is just fantastic on this speaker. Nothing rattles on this speaker. Everything is very well built and designed. I've never seen this kind of a design on any speaker. I've unboxed about 25 speakers, but I've never seen this kind of a design on any speaker. You can see the corners are properly well rounded up on this side, and with those rounded corners you can see the grill also wraps around the whole speaker. Like this grill starts from this side, it properly wraps around the whole speaker and ends on this side. So this is one of the best designed speakers, and you can see the build quality. There are no panel gaps anywhere on this speaker. See, this is one of the best built speaker and design speaker, and because of this wraparound grill, this speaker looks very premium, and the build quality is spectacular on this speaker. And as you can see, I've hooked up the speaker with this strap which was given inside the box, and this strap is made out of leather, which can wear out pretty easily because this is very genuine leather. But easily means if you are using the speaker daily or you are traveling with this speaker, at that time this leather strap can wear out very easily. So moving on to the button layout of the speaker, as you can see, this is the power on off button, mode button, play pause button. You can pick up calls from this button also. There are two LED indicators, for the battery indicator when it is charging, and for the mode, if it is in Bluetooth mode, it will show blue light. This is for changing tracks and changing volume, increase and decrease. And as I've said, this button layout is covered with rubber, which feels very tactile. There is no rattling because of that rubber. The button feels very tactile when you press it. The sound from the button is also pretty good, very satisfying sound. So now moving on to the features of the speaker. Features wise, FND is giving you everything you need in a 2018 speaker of this type and of this price. Like You can see at the back, as I've said, this is the rubber cover. Just open this rubber cover. You have wide connectivity options, like this is the USB port, SD card slot, you get a aux port also, you get a charging port over here. So there are many connectivity options on this speaker, and the mind-blowing part on this speaker is the battery. The battery on the speaker is 3000 mAh. The playtime is about 6 to 7 hours, because let me remind you that this is just a 10 watt speaker. Because of that, this speaker gives you a playtime of 6 to 7 hours. I think it will give you more, because it depends on the sound. Actually, if you keep the volume at 50 to 60%, it will give you about 8 to 9 hours, but at max it will give you about 6 to 7 hours of battery backup. And you get latest Bluetooth 4.2, you get a noise cancellation microphone on this speaker, you can pick up calls from this speaker. And with that, we are done with the build quality, design and the features of the speaker. Now we are going to move to the main part of the speaker, which is the sound test of the speaker. So let's move to the sound test of the speaker. So friends, I've connected the FND W17 to my Nexus 6P, and the name of the song is No Heroes, and the volume as always is full. So now I'm going to play this song.
We don't want no heroes. It's my culture. I do what I do. Think it's a fashion. I am what I am. It's my culture. I do what I do. Think it's a fashion. I am what I am. We the pretty young things. We are the fashion. We don't want no heroes. We don't want no heroes. In the generation, so sick of the labels. We don't want no heroes.
As you have heard this speaker, now we come to conclusion that the sound from this speaker is very loud. It's super loud for a 10 watt speaker. Nowadays, I don't know what are the manufacturers are putting inside this speaker, or they are telling us wrong that this is a 10 watt speaker, because these speakers are very loud. I've unboxed many 10 watt speakers, and those are also very loud. The Boatstone 700 perfectly sounds like a 10 watt speaker, but these speakers, the Portronic, doesn't sound like a 10 watt speaker. They are very loud, and the bass on this speaker is so thumping. The bass is very punchy, and with that thumping bass, the lyrics is also very clear. You can hear every inch of this song you're playing on this speaker very clearly. There is no crackles, there is no distortion at all. I love this brand for the bass they provide, the sound they provide. If you're planning to buy a speaker under 2500 rupees, just without thinking, go for this speaker, because of the build quality, the unique design you get, and the features provided by FND, and various connectivity options, and last and the main thing, the price. So friends, if you want to buy this speaker, the links are in the description. Do check them out, and friends, buy the speaker from the links in the description, because it helps the channel. So friends, this is it for now. This is the unboxing and review of the FND W17. Thank you for watching, friends.